welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to describe how to check accident history of any car in Canada. Before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, if you're trying to buy a used car here in Canada, it's very important that you check its accident history so that you don't get any unexpected shocks in future, right? Because many times people unknowingly buy cars that were previously part of accidents, flood damage, or even written off, and later they regret because they get too many maintenance issues, problems, expensive insurance, and yes, dropping the resale value. So I'm going to explain what you can do. Okay, the very first thing you should check is the VIN number. That stands for vehicle identification number. It's a 17-digit unique code for every vehicle. You can find it on dashboard, near the windshield, on the driver's side door sticker, or in the vehicle registration papers. Never trust a seller who refuses to share a VIN. That means there's something wrong. Now step number 2 is go for Carfax report. Carfax is one of the biggest vehicle history report services here in Canada. When you enter the VIN, it can show accidental claims, insurance records, ownership history, odometer records, service records, and even if the car was stolen or not. Many dealers provide Carfax for free, but private sellers may not. If the seller says, I don't have it, you can buy it yourself. Of course, it costs money, but that amount could save you thousands later, so it's worth. Next step is to check the used vehicle information package, especially in the province of Ontario. In province of Ontario, sellers can provide something called UVIP. This document includes ownership history, liens, and sometimes mileage information. It is very useful because it shows if there is any loan or lien against the vehicle. Because if you buy a car with a lien, you could end up in a legal trouble even though you paid and you just pass on the money. And of course, the next step is going to be to check the vehicle title status. Sometimes cars are marked as salvage, rebuilt, or irreparable. A salvage car means it was damaged heavily and declared total loss. A rebuilt car means it was repaired and passed inspection. Irreparable means it can't legally be driven again. So even if the car body looks perfect from your naked eyes, the title status actually reveals the truth. And the next step is, of course, to inspect the car physically. Now, it's you can definitely follow some basic steps to check it yourself based on various checklists and recommendations. But what I would recommend, spend a little bit more, like 100 to 200, and hire a professional, a licensed professional who has no interest neither in your side nor in seller side, who doesn't care if the car sale goes on or not. All he needs to do is to inspect the car and provide you the detailed report. Okay, it could help you a lot in buying in buying this car, because you don't want to buy disaster, right? Now with this you can definitely protect yourself. You can also check for some damage yourself, okay, but as I said that you should always get it verified, in my opinion, by a licensed person who has no interest. If the seller himself offers you a mechanic, I would suggest no, go get someone on your own who has no interest in either of you, okay, so that the work can be performed independently and an independent report can be achieved. This is what I want to discuss, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.